To make an Instagram post with music, start by opening the Instagram app and tapping the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the camera view where you can select the type of post you want to create, such as a photo, video, or a reel. Choose the type of post that suits your content and select the media you want to use. You can choose from your camera roll or take a new photo or video. Once you have selected your media, tap Next to proceed to the editing screen. On the editing screen, you can apply filters, trim your video, or adjust the length of your post after editing your post. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen and select the music sticker. The music sticker will take you to Instagram's music library where you can browse through popular songs, genres, or moods. You can also search for a specific song or artist. Once you have selected a song, you can choose the length of the music clip and the part of the song you want to use. You can also add the song to your post by tapping the Add button. After adding the music to your post, you can adjust the volume and add other stickers or text to your post when you are satisfied with your post. Tap the Share button to post it on your Instagram feed. Remember to always check the copyright and usage rights of the music you use in your post to avoid any issues. Also, keep in mind that not all songs are available on Instagram due to copyright restrictions. By following these steps, you can create engaging Instagram posts with music that will capture the attention of your audience and enhance your overall Instagram experience.